Looking for the best electric pruning tools in 2026? Today, we're showing the top 5 cordless electric pruning shears and mini chainsaws that make cutting faster, easier, and more powerful. From brushless motors to Makita 18V compatibility, let's jump into the best picks right now. Item number 5. This 30mm cordless electric pruning shear is a powerful tool for fast and effortless tree trimming. Equipped with a strong brushless motor and sharp, high-carbon steel blades, it easily cuts branches up to 30mm thick with smooth and clean results. Perfect for gardens, orchards, farms, bonsai trees, grapevines, and more. Its cordless design gives you complete freedom to work anywhere without tangled wires. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this electric pruner saves time and reduces hand fatigue compared to manual cutters. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, an excellent choice for gardeners, farmers, and outdoor professionals. Item number 4. This Makita brushless electric pruning shear is the perfect tool for fast and effortless garden cutting. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it easily cuts branches up to 30mm thick with clean and precise results. Designed for fruit trees, gardens, farms, and professional trimming work, this cordless electric pruner helps reduce hand fatigue and saves valuable time. The built-in LCD display shows battery power and cutting times for convenient monitoring during use. Compatible with Makita 18V lithium batteries, it offers powerful performance and portability without messy wires. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, an excellent upgrade for every gardener and outdoor worker. Item number 3. This brushless electric pruning shear is a powerful and time-saving tool for every gardener. Designed with a durable tungsten steel blade and strong brushless motor, it can easily cut branches up to 25mm thick with smooth and precise performance. Perfect for orchards, vineyards, flower gardens, and potted plants, this cordless pruner makes trimming faster and more comfortable. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, while the low-noise operation provides a better working experience. The LED display helps monitor usage easily, and the cordless design offers full freedom of movement. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it's an excellent tool for efficient garden maintenance. Item number 2. This HILDA brushless electric pruning shear is a smart and powerful tool for effortless garden trimming. Featuring a durable high-carbon steel blade and advanced brushless motor, it delivers faster cutting, longer lifespan, and lower energy consumption. Designed for fruit trees, vineyards, orchards, farms, and gardens, this cordless pruner makes branch cutting smooth and precise. Its ergonomic cushioned handle ensures comfortable use, while the progressive cutting control allows safe and detailed trimming at any angle. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers cordless convenience and professional performance. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to maintain, perfect for gardeners and outdoor workers. Item number 1. The Seesii 3-in-1 brushless garden tool set is the ultimate solution for powerful and professional tree trimming. This versatile combo includes a 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw, 33mm electric pruning shears, and a telescopic pole that extends up to 15 feet for safely cutting high branches without a ladder. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor and dual 4,000 mAh batteries, it delivers long-lasting performance with up to 6 to 8 hours of working time. The adjustable 180-degree cutting head makes trimming easier from any angle. Safe, cordless, and easy to use, this tool is perfect for gardens, orchards, farms, and outdoor pruning work. Thanks for watching. Product link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tools and gadgets videos.